pogi na, magaling pa sa kaldagan. Here's another Honda Classic. Hindi ito yung Dax na alam natin kasi ang cute nito. Ito yung series na may small engines and iconic bar handles. Ito tinabi ko sa Zoomer for size comparison. Monkey bar handles, mukhang madaling sakyan, yun ang signature ng Honda Dax. Kargada nito 400 watts na Bosch motor. Naka drum brake sa likod at disc brake sa harap. Naka dual shock absorber na palaban sa kaldagan, kaya ang 120 kilograms. Madalas din tong template for heavy customization. Other notable features are keyless start dahil NFC, LCD panel that shows speed, distance, and battery life, LED headlights and taillights, cruise control, and anti-theft alarm system na hindi mo mayuyugyug kapag wala kang susi. Removable lithium-ion battery that could cover 60 to 80 kilometers. Top speed na 25 kilometers, pero we can boost it up to 45 kilometers per hour. Price at 76,925 for cash. Kaya kung gusto mo ng poging Dax or kaya naman maging dealer ng Honda e-bikes, message me